Well, this month marks Haitian Heritage Month, and there are dozens of events kicking off in and around Little Haiti to celebrate the Haitian culture. Among those events is the Little Haiti Book Festival, which kicks off today and runs through tomorrow. It's put on by the Miami Book Fair. And my next guest is one of the featured authors of this year's festival, Yanatha Desouvre, and organizer of the book fair, MJ Fevre. And you'll, of course, see both of them at the book festival as well. So I want to thank both of you guys for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having us. Yes.
No, thank you so much. Well, MJ, I have to ask you first, what year is this for the book festival?
This is our 6th edition. We started a few years ago. The festival is actually the brainchild of Jawan, who is the founder of Société Koukoui, an organization that makes sure that people are aware of the richness of Haitian culture and the Creole language. And about 2 years ago, the Miami Book Fair decided to join forces with Société Koukoui, and we came up with the Little Haiti Book Festival. So this is our 6th edition. Time flies.
It sure does fly. And sitting next to you, Yanatha, you will be there at the book festival, and you also have a new book out. But you, just for some of the people out there, you may not know this, but he is an Amazon best-selling author. He's just no ordinary author here. He's a poet. He's an author. You're an IT guy as well as, of course, one of the hardest jobs out there, being a father.
And it's the most memorable, it's the most meaningful and the most wonderful job out there. I don't even think it's a job. It's just part of my life.
But you're a poet.
I am a poet, yes.
And you're a poet. And we hopefully can hear something real fast from you here in just a bit. But let's talk about your latest book out that you're going to be talking about there at the book festival.
Yes, Revelations Road to Redemption is my second novel. I've been fortunate enough to write the second novel. Like you said, Jawan, I'm a poet. I started writing poetry since I was 7. But my wife, Amy, she challenged me and said, Yanatha, you can do better. I was like, what are you talking about, Amy? She says, you try and write a novel. I'm like, huh? I've never been able to do that, but I took on that challenge. The first novel I wrote was described as James Bond meets Idris Elba's Luther mixed with Mission Impossible.
Hot sauce.
A little Haitian hot sauce. So I took on I took a break because I did a project honoring my late uncle, Daniel Coulange. And then last year I said, you know what? Let me keep writing because I love it. It's a part of my DNA.
And we're going to talk a little bit more about that. Also, children's books as well. I mean, you've written a lot, not only poems, but children's books, and which I think is great because you've covered like all facets. So we're going to get to that in just a moment. But to hear from an author of this caliber here at the book festival, this is something that many people can get out of the book festival in Little Haiti.
Exactly. And we feel so blessed to have writers like Yanatha who are part of the local richness of the Haitian community. So Yanatha is going to be teaching a workshop along with artist Thomas Logan, and it's all going to be about Proverbs. Yanatha will tell you Proverbs are a big part of his latest book. So people are going to learn how to mix Proverbs and comic books. So basically how to get inspired by Proverbs to create comics.
And that's interesting because Yanatha, I mean, just like I was saying, best-selling author, Big Sister, Little Sister on Amazon. And you decided to go ahead and switch it up, like you said, with your latest novel. And so a lot of people out there are scared to even think about writing. You're going to be part of this workshop, but you said writing is therapeutic for you.
Yes, it is. Definitely. It's a lot cheaper than going to see a therapist. And it's a lot, it is. You know, many years ago when I started writing profusely, I couldn't sleep. So my writings became my dreams and nightmares. So from Walk Through This Journey, the first books of poetry that I wrote that described the barbershop shooting that I survived, I just turned 40 2 weeks ago, and I never thought I would ever make this age based on where I was raised. But I sky jumped with my book taped to my chest, and it was a launch that's been unorthodox. And with the book being inspired by individuals like Wyclef Jean and Lauryn Hill and Pras. This is a way to pay homage to not only Haitian proverbs, but also to bring the band back together again.
And Yanatha, I have less than a minute here. Where can I find more about Revelations Road to Redemption, a Grayson Goodman novel? Where can I find this?
Right on Amazon.com or Yanatha.com, www.yanatha.
Do you have a small poem you can tell me maybe in like 20 seconds?
Yes, for the writers out there, you came into this world at 100 miles and running. The reason you're still here is because you're meant to do something. Others will envy you because they don't know it's already written, that your experiences in this life challenges you to make a difference.
Ah, powerful right there, Yanatha. Yanatha, MJ, thank you guys so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Looking
Thank you
forward
for having
to the festival.
us.
You got it. You got it. Well, as we mentioned, Yanatha will be at the Little Haiti Book Festival tomorrow. His panel will be held from 4 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. And you can check out the book festival today. It's being held at the Little Haiti Cultural Complex, located at 260 Northeast 59th Terrace in Little Haiti. All weekend long, there will be dance and music performances, readings, book signings, activities for the kids, and of course, yum yum, some Haitian food. Gotta love it.